Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you how to turn off location services and push notifications to prolong battery in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So first of all, before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings and then scroll down and click on privacy and security. And on top you can see the option location services. Simply click on it, and if you want to turn off location services, then simply turn this button off. Your location services will be off. So turn off location services may prolong battery, and then go back and now click on notifications, and here you can see your all apps. And if you want to turn off notifications, push notification, then simply click on app and turn off notifications. Turn off notifications will save your battery. So this is the way to turn off location services and push notifications to prolong battery in iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.